kilobyte here. And my dishwasher isn't cleaning as well as it should when it's cold outside. So your dishwasher relies heavily on the temperature of the water to get the dishes clean. Well, when it's cold outside, that water going into it, it's probably going to be pretty cold. Yes, it has a heater element, and it has a heater element under here, but that doesn't mean it's necessarily going to get as hot as it should. So if you come over here to your sink faucet before you start your dishwasher, turn that hot water on. Woo! That's really cold. Run it till it's hot. You don't have to run it for too long, hopefully. But just run it till it's hot. That way, that water going down into the dishwasher is going to start off hotter. That heating element is going to be able to get it to a higher temperature, and that should help with your dishes, getting them clean. So, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.